Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my program. Yes, I know variety. My name is Nathanan Sirijaran, and today I would like to present about is human nature good or evil? Is the human nature good or evil? Are we born with a moral compass, or do we develop it as we grow? Listen, Aristotle agreed that morality is something we learn, and that we are born as a moral creatures. Sigmund Freud consider newborns a moral blank slate. Okay. Scientists also believe that babies don't have any moral standing until recently. Everyone believes that they are more moral than anyone else. Okay? Consider this moral dilemma. If you find a wallet with money, do you keep the cash? Yeah. Most people say they would return it to the original owner, but assume others wouldn't. They believe people are not as honest as them. Plato, do you know Plato? Plato said, good people do not need laws to tell them to act responsibly, while bad people will find a way around the laws. To put this assumption to test, a team of scientists conducted a large-scale experiment. Large experiment. They planted 17,000 lost wallets in 40 countries. 17,000. Okay. The results of the study published in Science Buddhist long-standing economics model. Experts expected people to keep the wallets with money. They were all caught by surprise. Regardless of country. The majority of people returned the wallets, and they were more likely to do so when the wallets had more money. As Alan Korn, author of the study, explains, we mistakenly assume that our fellow human beings are selfish. In reality, their self-image as an honest person is more important to them than a short-term monetary gain. Yeah, good. Researchers posed as people who had found wallets, dropping them in public places. Some wallets were empty. Others had $15 or $100 in local currency. 72% of people returned the wallets that contained a large sum of money. The wallet experiment confirms our instinct to do good, and that we care about our image too. The primary motivation to return the wallet was the aversion to be seen as a thief. Therefore, I would like to summarize in my view that human nature is still well aware since birth. But when they grew up, they saw many things, both good and bad, including temptations that can lead to delusions. Therefore, social rules help people to stop their minds from doing wrong. Everything will be peaceful if human beings reduce greed, anger, delusion, and do more for the sake of the common good. Yeah. Is the human nature good or evil? Do you have the answer? Okay. Take care of your health because it is very important for everyone. Take care. See you next time. Bye.